Today we're going on a hike to Paramin Lookout. It's a new lookout in Trinidad and Tobago. So if you want to see what this hike is all about, and this is my first time, so I can't even say what to expect or what not to expect. So we both going to identify what it's all about together. So if you want to see what this hike is all about, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Just keep on watching. So we just parked, so let's see what it's gonna be about. I think we're gonna like hike up this road. I think so. Not 110% sure. But look at you can't slip here. These are real strong roads. See it on a hole? Trinidad known for potholes. Look at the beach. I should have wear a long sleeve. It looks like you're gonna be cool. So it's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. So heading down. Again, I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea where we're going. Well, I know where we're going. We're going to the lookout, the new lookout that opened in Paramin. But at the same time, I don't know where we're going. Don't know if we're gonna be walking on the road. Don't know if we're walking in bush. All I know, I'm not ready to walk in bush. It have rain. But that's just the vibe. But this right here is a whole vibe. So far it seemed like if it's just like a straight road, it's like walking up the Bamboo Cathedral. So shouldn't be that bad. Peeps in the back. So yeah, shouldn't be that bad. So far so good. They say it should be like 35 minutes. So yeah. So in Miracle Ministries, they have this plant all over their church now. And this called the forbidden fruit, so people won't pick it. So every time I see it, I call it the forbidden fruit.
Enjoy the walk.
It's how rain not falling, but it's like you can feel my hair like feeling damp.
Yeah.
That is so crazy.
Skin lemons. Yeah. Look how higher. Look at how much. Oh, it's like that.
Well, I mean,
My goodness.
I can't really see anything because
Oh my word.
somebody bit them
Them
talented.
Look at you. I don't think I could do that.
Talent.
Really good boy. Wow.
Talent.
You're back. Go. No. You're shaking really good. Beautiful, huh? Very nice. What kind of plant is that?
You see this plant right here? I don't know what it's called. When we were smaller, we used to play fight with it. Like if it was like snow, like something. We used to pelt each other with it for fun. It was a vibe. It was a whole vibe.
Morning, morning.
So Rain,
She's not exercising.
the curls are wet. She cheated! She cheated! She take a drop.
Alright, everyone.
We currently still walking. It's been like a good 20 minutes of walk so far. They say it's normally 35 minutes, but we stopped so much because someone was struggling. But yeah, so far so good. And as I said, if you could do Chancellor and if you could do Bamboo Cathedral, this is nothing in comparison. So look at this poetry. It's poetry. I don't know what it's called, but it's a poetry tree. This is the season for them. So also the best time to get married, so you can take good pictures with these things. Rain falling, so I had to let down my hair because it wet. So this is the vibe. I'm gonna be using the word vibes a lot in this video, so hopefully it don't get too annoying. Ooh, hills. Ooh. I love that the roads are like this. I guess they made it like this for a purpose and a reason, because it doesn't make it slip to walk down or to go up, especially how the rain falling. So probably it have some scientific or historical reason why they made the road like this. So whoever thought about it, I think it's really cool. So excited to like show you guys the actual lookout, because the hike is like, I mean, you could drive to it, but if you want to hike to it, you know, you just want to go there and get some step scene, some fitness instead of just driving up. This is a good vibe for you, you know, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, you know, just embrace nature, especially when rain falling. So yeah.
Because it's past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People living
Remember
up
that's
there.
when he fell past us now. Remember this is the one.
I think these roads were made for vehicles.
Yeah.
You ever went to Petit Valley? The roads in Petit Valley is just like this. This is how they used to build the roads long time. These roads are stronger than what they're building now.
Well, what
Their friend people. He's trying to hug your foot. Hey. Real water coming out. He knows like if he had the cool. It's like he coming towards me like, don't take me. Don't take me. Don't. He snapped at my foot.
What?
What?
Why? It's safe.
I know, but he snapped. A jump, yes. You afraid of your foot or? He probably don't afraid me. Look, he don't afraid me what?
Nah, nothing bites.
Afraid of your foot, you know, you too friendly. It's like he just safeguarding himself. Like, don't eat me. Don't cook me for lunch. Don't.
If I stand up here, you know, you're dead.
Why you going underneath your, you hiding underneath your foot like if it's like if underneath your foot safe.
Right?
Underneath your foot not safe.
Yeah, the camera.
You don't like camera. Camera shy.
You put it in your blog. And you want to have a nice blog and thing.
Yeah, you'll be able to take up
You can feature it in your blog, right? Yeah, perfect. That's not good.
Yeah, just say, it was just a little shack here.
I see the shack
Selling
here.
coconuts.
Oh,
about 7 years now.
so you start selling coconuts?
No,
So many
rain
coconuts.
falling like your face.
Oh. But I say coconut water with every vibe.
That your truck, man?
Listen to him.
I miss my rider.
Sorry. But they cannot take it right. I did the conversation going good. You know, I'm a people person. Sorry. Yeah, what you saying?
So we started at like 7:42 and it's 8:38. So yeah. Okay,
You don't notice.
so this is called fat pork. I didn't even know that.
I find it tasteless. It does have a nice color. But,
It's not looking like something I would like. Yes.
Yeah.
It looks good. I have to get one for
So if you don't know, that's fat pork. Sparkle picking one for anybody who want to try it.
Where's the chandelier?
I don't like the taste of it.
It's looking like a plum, people, but it's called fat pork. Never heard of it, and I live in Trinidad. Shame. So let me know in the comments down below if you ever try a fat pork before. Okay, don't for my mother.
My grandmother used to give me tea all the time. What is corally? What this? Yeah.
So the sun is coming out. The view will be with the sun.
Yes.
9 o'clock on the dot.
Thank you, Jesus.
9 o'clock already. That was
We
very
reached.
good.
Not bad at all.
So
Piper told him, Mom, we should invite Piper to one of these things. Let me see if you can make.
so they're feeling it's fine unless you cannot watch it. So we reach.
Well, guys. So after an hour or two of walking, we are finally here at
What an hour and 30 minutes it took us. And that means going the wrong way the first time, having to turn around, etc.
challenging because I didn't really realize how uncertain I was. But I have some really good friends assisting me.
Wow, what so beautiful.
They really held their own and they ensured that I did not die on the ground. Morning.
Morning.
So we are here. It's a beautiful sight. Paramin,
Morning. Sure. So we arrived. It's really nice place to vibe. I mean, we have view in deck B. It's gorgeous. I mean, the fog is kind of blocking the view, but in a few minutes the sun should come out because it's really early. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. So we have our restrooms. We have our cooking huts. So there are 2 cooking huts. And there are 4 viewing decks. So this is the first cooking dock here, second one there, A and B, and then we have viewing deck C that we're going to. Well, this viewing deck don't have a lot of, so I guess they're gonna expand eventually. Probably they'll have like food places and stuff there, probably after COVID, etc. Down there. So the fog is slowly clearing up. This is the so we're going to viewing deck C. Again, you could hike up here, you could drive up, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it all depends on what you like. The hooking deck, they have a sink. It's really cute though, but then it's wet, so yeah, it's not a place to chill when the place is wet, obviously. And the fog obviously is blocking the sea, so hopefully it clears up before we leave, so that I can get that on tape. So yeah, so that is the view of the viewing deck. Now it's time for pictures. They're gonna take some pictures, find my people, let them take the pictures. She's just waving, gonna find them, take some pictures. Yes, beautiful. Hey. Ooh, so we have it's energy bites. If you would like to purchase them, you can contact, there's the contact number there, or you can follow her on Instagram. So cool when you meet new people and they give you free stuff on a hike. So check out. Look, she there.
It's on Instagram, it's on Facebook, it's there on the sticker. You can order online depending on the area, you know, there might be a delivery charge. You could also have in places. You could at street markets, you could get them at Java Nation.
So if you're into healthy stuff, and especially if you do a lot of hiking and you just want to have that healthy thing in your bag, this is the flick. It tastes really good though. Like, I was surprised. But yeah, I will link the Instagram and number in the description down below. So currently I'm just waiting for the sun to come out so I can really get that view, so that fog could be removed, because it's a lot. Because it's still, as you can see, it's still very foggy. So yeah, so just waiting. So I decided I'm not gonna tape us going down, but this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you want to come out and spend some time with your family, you could ride up, you could hike up, your choice. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.